Attention all chocolate chip cookie lovers. You don't want to miss this. Inspired by Cynthia said, come on girl, hurry up and drop the brown butter chocolate chip cookie recipe. Okay. Before we get into it, we're going to shout out Everything Just Baked profile page on Facebook. That's where I got this fire ASS recipe from. Make sure y'all go follow him and check out his videos. You could be chefing it up just like him, just like me. Okay. Let's dive into this brown butter chocolate chip cookie recipe right now. Let's start out with the ingredients list. Number 1, we'll need salted butter, brown sugar, granulated sugar, egg yolk, vanilla extract, all-purpose flour, cornstarch, salt, semi-sweet chocolate chunks, or a chocolate bar. That's one of the secrets. If you want the ooey gooey chocolate chip cookies, you need a chocolate bar, milk chocolate chips, and flaky sea salt. That's optional. So your first step, you want to melt your butter in a clear or light color pot so you can see it brown. You have to babysit it and keep stirring and it'll turn brown. You want your temperature on medium heat, and this process should take about 5 to 7 minutes. Remove from the heat and let it cool for about 10 to 15 minutes. You're going to mix in the brown sugar and the granulated sugar in the cooled off brown butter. Then add the egg yolk, vanilla extract, and mix again until it's fluffy. Now you want to mix your dry ingredients in a separate bowl. That'll be your flour, cornstarch, and baking soda. I forgot to mention that earlier, and salt. Slowly add these ingredients into the wet ingredient mixture. So before you're all the way done mixing these two components together, you want to add in your chocolate chips and your chocolate bar. Now, to me, the chocolate bar is where you can become signature. We know it's brown butter and it's going to be ooey gooey, but those chocolate bars are really going to carry the story. From here, you can scoop the cookie dough into balls so that you can put them in the refrigerator for at least 24 hours. I know, right? For the best flavor. 1 hour minimum if you're short on time. Okay? All together now. Ready to scoop and get it popping. You want to preheat your oven at 350 degrees and bake for about 8 to 11 minutes. Once you take your cookies out of the oven, make sure that you remember to add extra chocolate chips on top. Once they come out the oven, just let them sit for about 10 minutes and they're ready to go. Drop chocolate chips in the comments if you're ready for a tasty new recipe. Thanks for tuning in to this LMTP foodie review. I'm Janae. If you like content like this, make sure you hit that follow button and subscribe for more.